The main feature to note here is the middle range of a bullish continuation, which naturally reverses roles to become a key support area. As time goes on and the chart continues to move relatively sideways, a Fibonacci wedge helps identify the strongest duration of support has likely already passed. So as the chart eventually returns back to the bottom of this range, a break below this established support boundary is not too unusual. Since the downtrend began with a big acceleration, a trend-based Fibonacci extension positioned around the peak and first bullish retracement will provide useful horizontal levels for the bearish continuation context. Although those same points could be used for a trend-based Fibonacci time zone, it's not that useful since the duration of the trend segment isn't that long to provide coverage of its lines further into the future. Unsurprisingly, there's a major halt to the downtrend near the range of previous historic lows, in particular centering around 280, which is essentially overlapping this Fibonacci level. If we really want to use the trend-based Fibonacci time zone, all that needs to be done is to extend its length, and this can be done based on the length of this previous uptrend. Then the second and third points will be the same, based around the peak and first bullish retracement. The result is intervals spread further apart, allowing for coverage further into the future. Since a regular Fibonacci time zone doesn't get affected as much based on the short length of a trend or trend segment, one can be placed at the first portion of the downtrend, and that can help identify more areas of interest and help define approximate ranges alongside the trend-based Fibonacci time zone. And this process can be repeated for other positions, such as placing the regular Fibonacci time zone at this short duration on the upswing produced by the first bullish retracement in the downtrend. The end result helps us identify more clearly the areas where retracements, continuations, and reversals can take place.